In this video, you will learn how to book and price flights using the Air Availability function. Click on the Add Air icon and select the correct tab based on the passenger's journey type. Add the flight details. The departure, arrival, and travel dates are mandatory fields. For advanced search options, click on the Flight Options icon. If you have more than one passenger or multiple passenger types, click on the Search Setting icon here and update the number of travelers. To add additional passenger types, click on the Add icon here and select the correct passenger type from the drop-down menu. For any PTC not in the list, type it in. Once all passengers have been added, close the box. Click on Air Availability to view availability. Click the RBD of your choice. At this stage, you have three options to choose from. Add to shopping cart will hold your booking. The next one is Price, which will price and hold the RBD you've selected. The third option is Best Buy, which will price and hold the lowest fare in the selected cabin. For the purpose of this video, we will choose Best Buy. You'll get a pop-up that breaks down the itinerary and pricing details. Click on Add to Shopping Cart to proceed. Once you've added the traveler's details, select the segments and click on Book to complete the booking. Thank you for watching. In this video, you will learn how to book and price flights using the Direct Sell function. Click on Direct Sell icon. This will open up a dialog box where the passenger and flight details need to be added. In the Travelers section, you can see that the default passenger type is ADT, which means adult. So remember to change this by typing the correct type code in the type field. In this video, we'll be creating a booking for an adult. Add the title and name of the passenger. For any additional passengers, click on Add Traveler and enter their details as well. If there's an infant, click on Add Infant and add their details. If the passenger is a frequent flyer member, click on Add FFN and add the details. We now move on to the flight section. In the airline field, add the airline code. If you know the flight number, you can add it here or leave it blank. Add or select the date of the passenger's flight. For the purpose of this video, we'll put Dubai in the From field and London Heathrow in the To field. If you know the available booking class, add it in. Otherwise, click on the magnifying glass icon to view flight availability. You'll see a list of all the flights and the RBDs for each one. Select the required flight and RBD. To add more flights to the itinerary, click on the Add Flight and complete the flight details. There are three pricing options, with Best Available selected by default, which gives you the best available fare. If you want a price for the class you entered, choose the Current Class option. If you want to book without pricing, choose the Do Not Price option. We're going with the default, which is best available. Next, we add either the email or the telephone information for the passenger. For this video, we'll add the email address. We can skip the form of payment section and enter the payment details later before we issue the ticket. Click Book to complete the booking and create the PNR. You've completed your booking. You can see the record locator here. Thank you for watching. In this video, you will learn how to add or edit infant details. Go to the Traveler section and click on the adult passenger you want to associate the infant to. Click on the Edit icon. Click on the Add icon next to Add Infant. Add the infant details. Check they're correct and then click on Submit. You'll now see the infant's name in the infant column associated with the adult. To edit existing infant details, click on the associated adult and then click on the Edit icon here. Update the details and click on Submit. Thank you for watching.
In this video, you will learn how to add or edit Advanced Passenger Information, or APIS. After you've retrieved a record locator, click on APIS. The APIS section will appear at the bottom of your screen. Click the Add icon. You can see 3 options in the pop-up box. You want to click on the Add icon next to APIS Picture ID. Click on the Travelers field and select the passenger from the drop-down menu. Click on the Document Type field and select Passport from the drop-down menu. Add the passport details. Double-check that you've filled all the information correctly. If you have multiple passengers, click on Add icon next to APIS Picture ID here and update the details. Once you've added the details for all passengers, click on Submit. You can now see the APIS details have been updated here. If you need to edit this information, click on Passenger APIS Details. Then click on the Edit icon here. Update the details and click on Submit. Thank you for watching.
In this video, you'll learn how to retrieve a booking using the Advanced Search function. Click on Advanced Search. You can see that there are several options here for doing your advanced search depending on the information you have available. If you only want to view the e-ticket and you know the ticket number, the quickest way to search is by using the Search for Ticket Document tab. Add the ticket number, then click on Search. The Search for Reservation tab can be used to find a booking by the passenger's name, adding in the last and first name, then clicking on Search, or by record locator. As a name search can return lots of results, you might want to make your search more specific by clicking on the FLX Advanced Search tab. Here, you can search by flight details, frequent flyer number, and name to find a specific PNR, or by PNR creation or ticket issuance date if you're looking for a range of PNRs. Once you've filled in the search criteria, click on Search. You can then click on the record locator to access a specific PNR. Thank you for watching. In this video, you will learn how to add passenger details using the Quick Traveler function. To start, click on the Quick Traveler icon. In the Travelers section, select the total number of passengers excluding infants. In this video, we will be creating a booking for an adult, a child, and an infant. You can see that the default passenger type is adult. So remember to change this by typing the correct passenger type code in the type field. Add the title and name of the passenger. If there's an infant, click on Add INF and add their details. You can add a frequent flyer number at this stage by clicking Show Frequent Flyer Information, or do it later. It is mandatory to have either the email address or the phone number of the passenger, which you can add here. For this example, we're adding email. Once all the passengers have been added and you have checked that all the details are correct, click on Submit. You can now see the passenger details in the Travelers section. Thank you for watching.
In this video, you will learn how to add, edit, and use a traveler profile. Click on the Profile Management icon. To create a new traveler profile, in the New Profile section, add the profile name. Select Traveler as the profile type. Then click on New Profile. You can see there are a range of tabs and fields for you to add your passenger's information. In this video, we'll add our passenger's name and contact details. Once completed, click on Submit. To edit an existing traveler profile, we again click on Profile Management. In the Search Edit Profile section, add the profile name. Then click on Search. When your profile has been retrieved, click on Open and edit the details. Once the edits are complete, click on Submit. Then click on Continue. To delete the profile, click on Delete, then click Continue. We'll now show you how to use a traveler profile in booking. When creating a new booking, click on the profile icon. Add the traveler profile name, then click on Search. Next, click on the profile name to select it. By clicking on Add Default, the traveler details will automatically be added to the booking. Thank you for watching.
In this video, you will learn how to price an existing itinerary. Once you've retrieved your record locator, select the flight segments you want to price and click on Price icon. You'll see that the default options are selected, which will give you the best available fare. These options can be customized if required. For example, if you don't want to change the RBD, click on Current Classes. If you need to exempt any taxes, click on the Tax Exempt Options section and type the 2-letter tax code in the tax code field, or select Yes from the Exempt All drop-down to exempt all taxes. Once you've made your selections, click on Continue. You'll see a Rebook button appears. When you click on this, the system will change the RBD to give you the best available fare. Do take note, if you've selected the Current Classes option, you'll see a Store Fare button to store the fare for the RBD you've booked. You can tell that the fare has been stored when you see a number 1 here. To see the pricing breakdown, click on the View Edit Fare icon here. Thank you for watching. In this video, you will learn how to manually store a fare. The first step is to retrieve the record locator. Go to the itinerary section to select the flight sectors you want to price by checking the boxes. To include all sectors, just click here to select them all. Once selected, click on Create Fare. The next step is to complete the fare information. You can enter this information manually by adding the relevant details provided by the Emirates office. The designated field only needs to be completed for private fares. We now do the same for taxes by clicking on the drop-down arrow to access the tax details section. If you are reissuing a ticket and the fare is the same as the original, instead of manually entering this information, you can select the relevant ticket number from the Use Ticket Data drop-down menu. And then drag the ticket data flight information to the relevant section of the itinerary below. You can then make any adjustments required. Such as the not valid before and after dates. Check and make sure the details are correct. If you have any other passenger type, you need to select the next passenger type code from the drop-down menu. Then repeat the steps to complete the fare information. Once all passenger types have been completed, click on Submit. Click on Continue. You can tell that the fare has been stored when you see number 1 here. Thank you for watching. In this video, you will learn how to search for a private fare. Click on the Add Air icon. Click on the Search Settings icon Here you can see that there are several sections that you may need to complete. If you need to change the PTC, click on the Travelers section. Select the PTC from the Type drop-down menu, or you can type it in. If you need to add an account code, click on the Qualifiers section. Select either Contract ID or Corporate ID in the Type drop-down menu. Then, type the account code in the code field and type the two-letter airline code in the airline field. Close the box and continue your flight search as normal. Thank you for watching. In this video, you will learn how to claim a group record locator using the Group Claim function. Click on Advanced Search. Then click on the Claim Reservation tab. In the Record Locator field, add the record locator provided by the Emirates office. Then click on Claim. To claim the booking, click on Confirm Claim. A new record locator will be created. You can click on the Add icon to add the names in the Travelers section. Enter the first passenger name. Then, click on the Add icon to add another. Repeat this until all names are entered. In the Type field, enter GRP for an adult or GNN for a child. If you have to add an infant, click on Add Infant. In the Type field, enter GIF and enter their name and date of birth. Click on Submit. If the names need to be edited, click on the names, then the Edit icon. Make the changes, then click on Submit. Next, we add either the passenger's telephone number or email address. In this video, we'll add the phone number. Multiple contacts can be added using the Add icon . Then click on Submit. Next, we add the payment details. Click on Payment, then click on the Add icon next to Forms of Payment. Click on the Add icon next to the payment you want to use. Complete the relevant details. In this video, we're going to use cash as our payment method. Multiple forms of payment can be added using the Add icon and then click on Submit. To price the record locator, select the segments and click Create Fare. In the fare mask, add the relevant fare details. To update taxes, click on Tax Details, then click on Add Row. Add a new row for each tax. Once all taxes have been added, If you have any other passenger type, you need to select the next passenger type code from the drop-down menu. Then repeat the steps to complete the fare information. Once all passenger types have been completed, click on Submit. Click on Continue. You can tell that the fare has been stored when you see number 1 here. Thank you for watching.